Hi, fourth graders, Mrs. Nelson. We're going to be looking at the degrees in which make a shape acute, obtuse, or 90 degrees. So in front of us, we have a 90-degree shape right here. As you can tell, the two intersecting lines, or the two perpendicular lines, make a perfect corner. Now, we're going to look at all the possibilities for acute angles. Acute means the number 90 here becomes smaller. So as you close one of the legs, one of the arms, you notice down here, right here, this number becomes smaller. That means your shape is becoming acute all the way down to 1. Okay? So once it becomes 0, it becomes something else entirely. So 1 all the way, so now it's climbing, but it's still smaller than 90 degrees, all the way up to 98 degrees. That, from here to here, that's acute, 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 going all the way down to 1 degree, which is still acute. There you go, acute. So there's acute, all right, and that's not acute anymore. So those are acute angles. All right, so let's set it back to 90 degrees. All right, so now we're going to look at angles that are greater than 90 degrees. So here we go. So 91 is the start of the obtuse angle. So there is just an angle that looks like it's 90 degrees, but it's not. It's bigger. It's 91 degrees, so it's obtuse. And it goes all the way up to 79 degrees, which is almost a flat angle or a straight angle, but it's not. It's almost. So you can say this is from 91 to 79 is obtuse. So this is obtuse, this is obtuse, obtuse, obtuse. It's bigger than 90, smaller than 180. So 79 is obtuse, 91 is obtuse, 110 is obtuse. So this is your computer. So say your computer lid is open at 90 degrees. You push it back just slightly. It's at 105 degrees. That's usually where I want it. So some of you think it's really funny to push it to a flat, straight angle, which is 180 degrees. So you need to have it at an obtuse angle, roughly between 120 degrees for your computer, and 90 degrees is usually where I'm happy. But an obtuse angle is where I want your computer screen to be. Obtuse is bigger than 90. But it isn't as big as 180. It's almost 180, but it can be anywhere between 91 degrees and 79 degrees. Okay? So those are the obtuse angles. Now I'm going to talk about a flat angle or a straight angle. A straight angle is only 1 degree. It's only 180 degrees. That's it. Okay? So it's a flat line. Now you can make an angle that's bigger than 180, and 180 then, if you go bigger to 180 all the way to 0, that's called reflex. This is a reflex angle. Okay, so then it starts looking like Pac-Man. The circle on the outside for the inside angle. So that it goes from 181 all the way to 0, which is 365 degrees, 360 degrees, which is then considered your reflex angle. All right, if you have questions or concerns, let me know.